Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about transporting an airplane on the highway, and here's how you go about doing it, and here's some pictures of the process and all the tools. Stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So we're picking up this airplane from up in the Minnesota area, and as you can see, it's nice, beautiful country, and they had a airplane-shaped windsock on this thing. And then we also have the classic picture of when you're loading an airplane of the tail sticking up into the clouds. It's kind of a classic shot, and we have that. Now, we've all talked about pulling the strut on our front, and every once in a while you'll come across one that has a broken piece in it, and then you either have to scrap the torque tube or figure out a way to get the broken piece out. Jimmy came up with a clever tool, and Matt's going to be using it to pull this piece out. There's the broken piece in the strut, but we do have a video of the tool being used to be able to get it out of the airplane. And then, of course, we also have the classic shot of the tail pointing up into the clouds as we're getting the airplane loaded onto the trailer to come home. So stay tuned for a bit more fun. Now, there's really nothing complicated about moving an airplane on a trailer on the road. The first thing you have to do is just get everything secured to the trailer. And Jimmy, over the years, like a lot of us who've moved airplanes, have developed a set of tools that help us in the process. Those are the cradles that the wings and the tail section go in, so everything's held nice and securely so it doesn't move during the transport. And those black stripes you're seeing on the control surfaces, that's just tape to keep them from flapping around in the wind. But again, it's just a matter of getting it up on the trailer, getting it secured down, getting all the bits and the cradles underneath it, and getting it all ready for a run on the highway. So it's not hard to do, and it's not really complicated, but it does need to be done by professionals. I have seen airplanes moved by people on a landscaping cart. I mean, it doesn't take much of a transport to move an airplane if you have the back of a pickup truck. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the pictures of the airport of the transport from Minnesota back to New Jersey. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So you've all known our older cat, Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.